So, very good morning, students. Uh, Today's topic is our view of dairy input industry opportunities for entrepreneurs. You are very much aware about the importance of entrepreneurs and entrepreneurship. You are aware of the nature of dairy industry. Dairy industry is composed of several firms who are dealing in the area of dairy. And dairy input industry offers tremendous opportunities for entrepreneurs. Hmm? As you are aware, India is the largest, biggest milk producer in the world. It is the world leader in milk production. Uh, uh, Milk is an important food item, you know, right? Milk is the first food that we give to our babies when we take birth. So milk is very important and it is related to our life since beginning. Milk is an important source of protein-rich diet, you know, and India is a vegetarian country. Now the food habits are changing, but by and large it is a vegetarian country where the rich provides the protein to the large segment of vegetarian population. India is the largest milk producer. The milk production in 2018-19 was 87.7 million tons, and per capita availability was 394 grams per day. You are aware of this. So we have enough milk, we have enough raw material in the form of milk to get it processed for the value addition and then marketing and trade. So dairy industry bears a very significant importance in terms of entrepreneurs. You know, the demand for milk and milk products are rising because the income of the people, income of the persons are rising. There is rapid urbanization. Villages are now changing into the urban areas. So there is large urbanization, very rapid urbanization, and then the food habits are changing. So with the advent of urbanization, people with rising income and then changing food habits, demand for milk products and milk has increased very fast. Dairy sector is transforming from a subsistence activity to commercial activity. You know, earlier the dairy sector was a subsistence type of activity, which is now becoming commercial day by day. And thus, there is immense opportunities for entrepreneurs in the dairy sector. There exists required infrastructure for successful enterprises. Sufficient raw material is available in the form of milk, we have already discussed. Established infrastructure and technologies are available. We have now a skilled and supporting manpower. We have technologists, we have engineers who can handle the problems in the dairy sector, who can help in transforming the dairy sector, who can help in processing the raw materials into the final product. So we have very established infrastructure. We are now mechanizing our entire supply chain, value chain. We are now establishing the bulk coolers to increase the shelf life of the milk. So infrastructure are increasing, and then we have sufficient technology for processing also. Then free market economy after delicensing from dairy sector in 1991 provides opportunity for marketing and trade. After liberalization in 1991, the dairy sector has also been freed from the licensing procedure, and it has been delicensed. And entrepreneurs' participation will definitely ensure attractive return on investment in fast-growing market in India as well as for exports, because there are sufficient raw materials from supply side and the demand side has huge demand. So there is high demand, there is supply, and therefore the dairy sector provides very good opportunity for entrepreneurs. Then some important entrepreneurial opportunities in dairy sector. So people are coming in between. Uh, the farming system itself is very conducive for dairy farming and dairy sector. Dairy farming has become a commercial activity. You know, now people are leaving the subsistence practices, the traditional practices, and now they are adopting the modern technologies, modern package of practices, whose management practices are being adopted, and dairy farming system itself is changing very fast. Uh, Then progressive farmers have established dairy farms with better breeds of dairy animals. Now the dairy herds, the size of dairy herds are increasing. The animals, the quality of animals are improved. Better quality animals are available, who are high yielders, giving high milk yields. And better quality of machines are there. Machine for milking is there. So practices of milking is also changing. So we are producing with the help of a milking machine. We are now able to produce hygienic milks, and scientific breeding policy is available and feeding high quality feed and fodder. So we have high quality feed and fodders which enable the milk producers in producing, in getting high yield from the better quality of animals whose herd size are also increasing, and the farming system is becoming commercial day by day. Then high-tech dairy farms producing better quality milk. You know, there are a number of dairy farms which are very high-tech, and they have adopted the mechanism, they have adopted the procedures which are conducive for hygienic milk production, and then to manufacture value-added milk products for growing health-conscious urban markets. So hygienic milk, there is a lot of demand for the hygienic milk, and as well as exports for the, and then exports provide the entrepreneurship opportunity. Then organic farming and biotechnology. So you are aware of organic farming now. Agriculture, be it agriculture or dairy farming, people are going for the practices which are almost organic in nature. So with no use of agrochemicals, synthetic materials. So people are adopting organic farming, and organic milk is supposed to be better for the health and fetches high price in the market. New research findings in the field of biotechnology coupled with growing demand for organic products provide exciting opportunities for establishing organic dairy farming in the country. Biotechnology helps in developing finest dairy breeds, dairy cultures, probiotics, enzymes, and coloring materials for production of different dairy products. So we have opportunities in the area of organic farming. We have the support of biotechnology, which is enabling us to use the best quality probiotics cultures, convert them in probiotic dairy products. Enzymes are there, coloring materials are there, and with the help of all these available technologies and these cultures and other elements, we can produce the products which has high demand, which has health benefits, and therefore which can fetch high price in the market nationally or internationally. Processing and packaging equipment for dairy plants with modernization, new types of packaging equipment and dairy plants are coming in the markets, and with the help of those materials, those plants, those equipment, a small scale processing, a small scale packaging has become possible, and an entrepreneur can take advantage of that and be in the market. Then product manufacturing. With growing demand of variety of milk products, potential exists for manufacturing world-class Western as well as traditional dairy products. Now, in India also, the demand for pizza, the pizza cheese, milk powder. So different kinds of dairy products are increasing day by day, and it provides opportunity to the entrepreneurs for manufacturing such kind of products, indigenous or Western, which has high demand in the market. Then vast potential also exists for manufacturing specific products for people suffering from certain diseases. Now geriatric food products are available, and for the people who are suffering from diabetes, hypertension, obesity, different kinds of products are there. So we can choose, an entrepreneur can select and choose and target a particular segment, and accordingly he can prepare the product and enter into the marketing of those products to harness the benefits of the entrepreneurship opportunity in the input dairy markets. Then distribution and retailing itself provides a tremendous opportunity. Milk products, being perishable products, require refrigeration and storage. For maintaining a cold chain involving bulk coolers, chilling centers, cold stores, refrigerated vehicles are required. With growing Indian economy and increase in purchasing power of Indian consumers, there is growth of big retail outlets for dairy and food items. Thus, there exist opportunities for entrepreneurial pursuit in the field of dairy inputs. Then, specific dairy markets are there. There are multi-layer pyramidic structure of Indian dairy market, with the base made up of huge market for low-cost milk. So it begins with the processing of raw milk. So raw milk is the base, and then we have high-value products in the dairy sector, which creates the tip of the pyramid. So with the base made up of huge market for low milk, narrow tip of the top consists of a small different markets for Western types of milk products. So one can choose whether to target what commodity he should or she should deal in. So it is there. We have a variety of choices. We have a pyramidic structure, and we can, based on our resources, capabilities, and availability of opportunities, identification opportunities, we can target the niche area and we can market there. There exists following dairy market and entrepreneurial opportunities. Food service institutional markets. So this is one of the area. This is growing at higher rate, approximately double than consumers market. So you are now aware that you have a mobile phone. You just go to Zomato. You go to different types of apps, and you can order any kind of food at your home. So this kind of food services are now picking up. This kind of food service market are now picking up, and one can take advantage of these markets. Then defense market is there, where there is huge demand for dairy products. One can prepare the product, produce the product for the dairy market, defense market, and make supply to them. A boom is forecasted in the market of dairy products used as a raw material in pharmaceuticals and allied industries. Pharmaceutical is one of the users of dairy products, and there a boom is expected. Different kinds of health products are being prepared. For gym, they prepare some type of powders which improve the muscle building. So different kinds of opportunities are there. Then parlor market, the growing away from home consumption trend opens new vistas for ready to serve dairy products. There are takeaway services. There are different parlors where you can go, you can order, you can take the packaged products and take it to your home for the consumption. So parlor type of things are also increasing. And then sweet markets, we are very much aware. We are fond of sweet, and sweet markets have its own presence in the market which can be harnessed. Then business opportunities in animal husbandry. Animal husbandry itself provides business opportunities. High yielding dairy animals are valuable assets. Thus, the milk producers obtain professional animal health care services to improve productivity of dairy animals. So, this is one of the area where the entrepreneurs can initiate its activities. Artificial insemination is there. Then milk parlor can be established. So there are different kinds of services and activities which can be established in the area of animal husbandry itself. It creates plenty of entrepreneurial opportunities in dairy segment, nutritionally improved crop residues and dry fodder, apart from cattle feed and urea molasses, which are in demand. So these fodder bricks can be prepared, and different kinds of cattle feed can be prepared and sold in the market. Then interested entrepreneurs can establish a small business on these lines. Production and sales of compacted fodder from surplus to deficit area. We have surplus areas, we have areas where the fodder are in surplus. There are areas where there is deficit of fodder. Generally, the southern Bihar, the area of Rohtas, Babuas, these are considered the fodder surplus area, and we have the Kisanganj or eastern part of the state which are deficit in fodder, so we can take the fodder from the surplus area to the deficit area and take advantage of entrepreneurship opportunity. Then breeding of crossbred and graded buffaloes also provide entrepreneurship opportunities. As I already told you, that there is a scope for breeding, there is a scope for artificial insemination, which can be taken up as a business venture for, by the entrepreneurs. Then private on-farm veterinary first aid and insemination services are increasingly used by progressive producers. There are commercial farms who attach private veterinarians and take their services. Then insemination, they take insemination services from them. So these kind of activities can also be started by the entrepreneurs. With increased use of private veterinary practices, the demand is rising for instruments and equipment. Also, like surgery, artificial insemination, related services, vaccines, veterinary pharmaceuticals, including feed supplements and growth promoters. The use of herbal and Arabic formulation for disease control as a feed supplement are also increasing. So all these areas provide opportunities for the entrepreneurship development. Then you know that particularly in India, the entire dairy sector is divided into organized and unorganized dairy sector. There is dominance of unorganized dairy sector, and it is desirable that we should have a well-organized dairy sector. So the Indian dairy industry is divided into two broad sectors: organized, which includes cooperatives, private dairy plants, government registered with MMPO 1992 Act. Then the organized and MMPO has been abolished, but it is there. The firm registered under MMPO are considered organized firms. The organized dairy sector handles only 35% of total marketable surplus of milk, and thus huge scope for entrepreneurs. Then unorganized sector includes number of small and seasonal milk producers, traders, halwais, etc., not registered with MMPO. So they are pursuing their activities independently. They are not registered, but they are there in the market, and they are one of the largest, biggest players in the market. They are significant. They are playing significant roles. So we have to deal with the organized and organized sectors, and both sectors provide opportunities for entrepreneurship development. We can establish private dairy farms. We can establish different organized activities, pursue different organized activities there, and organized sectors also gives us opportunity where we can take some activities. We can go for processing. We can procure milk and trade. So it is there. So this is all about. Thank you very much. Any question? I know you are well aware about the dairy sector.
Thanks, sir.
Please.
Hello.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, MMPO means?
Anything?
MMPO means?
Milk and milk products order. It was an act, it was an order which was introduced in 1992 and abolished in 2002. So it was there, and it was necessary to get registered under MMPO.
Okay.
So thank you very much, students. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot.